How to fix and solve TikTok logged you out. Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to do this. You just need to pay attention, make sure that you watch this video till the end. So first, you don't need to open your TikTok at all. Go and open your settings of your phone. After that, right here, go and open your apps option, and on apps option you should search for TikTok when it's showing you all the application that you have on your phone. As you see, it's loading, and right now it will show you all the application that you have right now in this time on your phone. So guys, when it show you, you have to search only for TikTok, open it, and scroll down to storage option. Here click on clear cache, and right now you have to back and click on force stop. Click OK, and then go directly to Play Store, update your TikTok on the last version. Then as a last step, you have to restart your phone. So that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and